How to fix Instagram direct messages problem. First thing, open settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, now all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on Instagram, now click here on permissions. Make sure to enable all these permissions as you can see. After that, go back and click on storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. And then go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.